Today, I'll show you how to handle offers from eBay buyers. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting your eBay journey, knowing how to effectively manage offers from potential buyers is crucial for ensuring a successful and rewarding selling experience. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to eBay's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com in the address bar, then press enter. This will take you straight to eBay's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice an array of options and categories to explore, but for now, we're going to focus on handling offers. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a link labeled My eBay. Click on it. This section is essentially your control center on eBay. It's where you can manage all your buying and selling activities, track your orders, and of course, handle offers from buyers. Clicking My eBay will redirect you to a page with further options catered to your account activities. Once you're in My eBay, navigate to the section called Bids, Offers. This section is incredibly useful as it compiles all the active bids and offers related to your listings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a detailed page displaying all current offers from buyers. Here, you'll be able to see which items have offers, the amount being offered, and any messages the buyers might have left for you. Now it's time to handle the offers. When you view an offer, you have a few options at your disposal. You can choose to accept the offer if it meets your expectations, decline it if it doesn't, or make a counteroffer. When responding to offers, it's important to consider factors like the original listing price, the demand for your item, and how long it's been listed. Accepting an offer is straightforward. Simply click the Accept Offer button if you're happy with the buyer's proposition. This will initiate the sale, and the buyer will be prompted to complete the payment. If the offer is lower than what you're willing to accept, but you're open to negotiating, you can make a counteroffer. Click on Counteroffer and enter the amount you're willing to accept. This opens up a negotiation between you and the buyer, allowing both parties to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. On the other hand, if the offer isn't satisfactory and you're not interested in negotiating, you can simply decline it. Click Decline Offer and the buyer will be notified. While declining, it might be helpful to leave a polite message explaining your decision. This not only maintains good seller-buyer relationships, but also encourages potential buyers to consider making better offers in the future. And there you have it. Handling offers from eBay buyers is a straightforward process once you know where to look and how to respond effectively. With these simple steps, you can manage your offers with confidence and potentially increase your sales success on eBay. Remember, each offer is an opportunity to sell your item, so take your time to consider them carefully. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more tips on navigating the world of online selling. Until next time, happy selling.